Did you get information that served to state the problem numerically, graphically, algebraically, or textually? How? Yes, I got the information by searching into the websites that you gave us, you the teacher, and I read the whole thing. Did you use mathematical language and notation to represent the problem? How? Yes, I used it for the introduction to the document and to make an equation to represent the function that I was explaining. Did you identify the present variables, dependent and independent in each function? What did you learn? Yes, I identified the variables. And what did I learn? Most of the time, if not always, the independent variable will be the x-axis and the dependent variable will be the y-axis. Did you write the function or equation that describes or models the selected situation? Explain. Yes, I did it. I looked at the graph and I just wrote an equation that I thought was the correct one depending on the information that I was given. Explain what the purpose of this project was. Did you achieve it? Why? The purpose was to get to know how the functions are going to be useful for predicting things in a certain area of the life. Did you achieve it? I think yes, because with my function I was able to know and calculate how many coal reserves we would have if the increase was not interrupted or disrupted or something like that. Did you generate strategies to achieve the goals? No, it was pretty straightforward, so I didn't need to make any complicated things to achieve the goal. I mean, it was pretty easy to do. Did you listen in an active and respectful way to the proposals raised by your colleagues? I mean, I was the one that proposed most of the time, and yeah, I respected their proposals because, well, there's no need to disrespect them. I mean, why would I disrespect them? Doesn't make sense. In general, what did you learn from this project? That graphs and functions are going to be useful for predicting things, but I won't be using them to predict things because I don't predict things. Neither I don't want to. If you had the opportunity to do it again, what would you do differently? I would prefer not to do it again, primarily. And what would I do differently? Well, choose graphs that are more simple to write a function about, because my teammates chose some difficult graphs. That is what I will change. I used a pretty simple graph because I knew I needed to write an equation, so I didn't want to complicate myself.